Okay. So with these few rants of mine, I hope I am able to convince you and not confuse you for the reason why you should actually stop using fake nails, long nails, painted nails while you're cooking. Hi guys, how you doing? Hello. Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're doing good. I'm back again with another video. It's your girl Onyechukwu, also, keeping it real, and I'm here to discuss about personal hygiene, like the nails. So let's quickly talk about what personal hygiene is. Personal hygiene is an important part of food safety that focuses on the food handler. So that's basically the person who's cooking. So it could be a cook, a chef, or kitchen assistant. It's a part of the food safety that focuses on the food handler. For example, when I'm cooking, I'm the food handler, so I need to focus on my personal hygiene. And what does this entail? It's all about our standard of dressing and also cleanliness. Everything I'm wearing clean? Do I smell nice? Do I look good? Is everything all tucked and kept away? So good personal hygiene is important to make sure that we are pleasant to be with, that we look our best, and we also do not contaminate the food. The apron that you wear, the headgear you wear, the outfit you're currently wearing. Are you wearing the same clothes that you've used to go outside to also process the food? Because when it comes to food safety, the cloth you're using to cook should be different from the cloth or the outfit or the dressing that you used to come into the work. So when you get to the workplace, you're meant to change to a different new cloth that is suitable and appropriate for the food. And our priority when it comes to food safety and the food handler is to ensure that the food is safe and the place that we're working with, the environment is also safe. Food environment, so when you're cooking, if it's for yourself or your clients, also focuses on how we behave around the food and our attitude towards the food that we're cooking. What I've seen a lot of like social media cooks and social media content creator that cook. They have like long fake nails. You see some of them do have like stones and things on their nails, and you see them preparing food. Some of them even prepare food for like their clients and stuff. And when it comes to food safety, it's actually very wrong for you to have nails or nail polish or nail varnish on your nails while you are actually preparing food. For example, let's take Hilda Bassi when she did her cookathon. You'd see that she was properly dressed in the right chef attire, and you could also see that she didn't have any makeup on. She didn't have any of her wigs on or braids on. She always had a hairnet covering her hair, and you could also see that her nails were short. When she was doing the cookathon, she didn't have long nails and she didn't have any fake nails. And that is the best way in terms of food safety, because she's cooking this food and she's also giving the food to the public. And you don't want to have incidences whereby a nail chipped and it chipped into the food, or your stones fell off and it fell into the food, or the fake nail broke and it broke into the food, because that is contamination. You've contaminated the food that people are going to consume, and it's really bad. Like, it looks cool, it looks nice, it looks like in thing to do, to have like nails, your nails looking cool when you're cooking, like painted nails, long nails, nails with stone. But when it comes to anything that has to do with food, make sure your nails are short. They are cut short, filed and trimmed to the bare minimum. You don't have any nail varnish on your nails, even if it's the see-through coated one, because that can also chip and fall into your food. No fake nails or acrylic nails when you're cooking, because it's difficult to make a lot of food when you're doing that, and a lot of people have done that in the past. Cook like for thousands of people, their fake nails was actually wrong. With these few points of mine, I hope I have been able to convince you and not confuse you for the reason why you should actually stop using fake nails, long nails, painted nails while you're cooking. Because as a food handler, it's your first priority to ensure that the food is safe and meeting the food safety conditions before you actually serve it to the general public. And I believe also best practice is to start with yourself. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned one or two things from this video. I hope you'd also stop using fake nails and long nails or painted nails when you're cooking. And you'd also do your part to ensure that your staff are fully trained and not using fake nails, printed nails, acrylic nails when they are handling food. Thank you for watching. If you learned one or two things, please leave a comment with what you've taken away from this. If there's something that you feel like I've missed out in terms of nails and handling food, please put it in the comment section below. Give us a thumbs up, like, and also share the word. If you found this video helpful, please share and let people know what they're actually doing wrong in terms of handling food. This food business is about winning. I want to win, and I also want you all to win as well. I will also need to reduce the amount of food poisoning that is occurring in food catering business. Thank you all for watching, and God bless you. See you on the next episode.